Stare. Mekos na yan. Sarap yan. Mekos. Mex. Stare. Hello guys, magandang araw. Magluluto tayo ngayon ng atay, liver. Panggatong ko guys, papir. Isasalin na natin ang spices, garlic and onion. Wait until it becomes brown. It's already brown guys. We will put the liver. Isasalin na natin ang liver. Mix guys, mix. Mekos guys. Mix. Stare. Some water guys. Put some water guys. Put some soy sauce. Mix again. Mekos na yan. Put some seasoning. Put the green leaves of onion. Yan, how beautiful. Ganda. And put some laurel leaf. Takpan, cover it. Takpan natin. We will cover. Yan guys, finish na siya guys. It's already finished. My cooking is already finished. We will put here in the magic plate. Bango guys. Smelling good. Smelling delicious. Yan. Ang sarap. Sarap. Don't forget to subscribe guys to my channel, little channel. So.